Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to select multiple rows in Excel without scrolling your mouse. Okay, let's begin. Now select your any cells or any column. I example select cells rows number 6. Now I select last rows M or N. I select type M and rows 200. Hold shift plus enter. Now see this automatically selected 200 rows. Another way to select rows, hold shift, press arrow key and up and down arrow key. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.